guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xanthe Naomi if you're new, and in today's video, I'm going to be trying polygel nails for the first time. Well, not for the first time, but for the first successful time. I tried once before a few days ago and it was a hot mess, okay? But here I bought a polygel nail kit from Amazon and it was only $26.99 and it came with so much. It came with 6 different polygel colors, the top and base coat, dual forms, a buffer and file, the slip solution for the polygel, a nail clipper, a UV light to cure the nails, and a 2-sided pen that has a brush and a spatula. I absolutely loved this kit and I was happy that I found one that was affordable, really easy to use, and really good. Everything I've talked about in this video will be linked down below, so if you're interested in any of the items that I talk about in this video, make sure you check the description box down below. Okay, so I know my nails were looking a hot mess, okay? But that's the point of this video, to get these nails together. So off camera, I went ahead and pushed my nail bed back and removed my cuticles. And the first thing I'm going to do is use my file and remove all the oils from my nails so that the polygel would have a better surface to adhere to. You guys want to make sure that you do this step first to have nice, long-lasting polygel nails. While I'm doing that, I just want to talk a little bit about why I decided to give this nail kit a try. So if you guys are new to my channel, you know that every time I go to get my nails done, I have to commute 2 hours to the nail salon and then 2 hours back home. And at first I didn't mind, but then it was becoming ridiculous, and so I decided to give this nail kit a try. And this nail kit was only $27, so I was like, why not? I really have nothing to lose. Okay guys, so these are how my nails are looking after I filed them down for a bit. And then next, I'm going to use the base coat and apply those to my nails. And then I'm going to cure it under the UV light that came with the kit. Now guys, you want to make sure you're only getting the nail and getting all of the nail. Because once you cure it, it's kind of final, not really, but kind of. And you want to make sure that you don't have any of the base coat on the sides of your nails or on your fingers. Just try to be as neat as possible when doing this step. Next, I'm going to pick out the right dual forms for my nail size. You want to make sure when you're choosing the dual form that it covers the entire nail and fits it perfectly. So for this set, I'm going to be using the light pink polygel color because I wanted a natural looking set. So first, I'm going to squeeze a bit of polygel onto the dual form, and you don't want to put too much, but you also don't want to put too little. So about a medium amount would be good. Then I'm going to be using the brush and slip solution to move the polygel around on the dual form. Now you want to apply some pressure, but not too much pressure. You also want to make sure that you're allowing the gel to cover all corners of the dual form. Next, I'm going to apply the dual form to my nail and make sure I like how it's positioned on my nail. And then I'm going to apply some pressure to hold the dual form in place. You might get some spillage like I did, but that's okay. You can just remove it with the brush. Or like I did with my finger, but I don't think that you're supposed to do it, but it was easier for me. And then I'm going to hold it and place it under the UV light. Guys, as soon as that light hits the polygel, it will harden. So you want to make sure it is exactly how you want it to be before placing it under the light. For each nail, I cured it under the light for 2 cycles. Now, this is how the nail is going to look after it is cured. Next, you want to remove the dual form. It may be hard to get off, but if you apply pressure, it should just pop off. And I know this nail isn't looking like much right now, but it'll come together, I promise. And then I'm just going to do the rest of my nails following the same pattern as I did before. Now, this is a part I forgot to mention. Once you place the dual form on your nail and apply pressure, it's going to like bulk up at the top. So to even it out, you're going to flip your hand over and using the brush and slip solution, just move the polygel around and even it out once it's on your finger. And this is how the nails look after the polygel have been applied, but it's not giving what I wanted to give. So I'm going to take the nail clipper and cut them down to my desired length. Now, I want my nails to be a little long, but not really. So I'm going to cut them a bit longer than I want them, so when I'm filing, I don't go too short. After I clip all my nails, I'm going to file them into the shape I desire. For this set, I wanted to do square, but I don't like square that looks boxy. I really don't know how else to describe it, but I'm doing square, but not like a boxy square. You guys will see what I mean. Okay, so after filing, this is how my nails are looking, and I'm in love with them so far. So I decided to do a French tip inspired design, but it really isn't French tip, more like French tip's cousin. So I'm going to use my gel polish in the color white and just paint a straight line at the top. Guys, this was kind of hard to do, but just be patient with yourself and take your time, and you can definitely do it. So this is what my nails are looking like, and I love them. So next, I'm going to take my top coat and apply it to my nails, making sure to be very careful and precise with this. Then I'm going to cure my nails under the lamp. And these are how my nails are looking, and guys, I absolutely love them. But they're giving dry, so I'm going to take some cuticle oil and apply it to my nails. So this is just a side-by-side comparison, and my nails have glowed up, okay? Next, I'm just going to do my next hand, and guys, this was the hardest part because I'm not left-handed, but with patience, I was able to do it. I'm going to show you guys one more time how I did it, and then I'm going to fast forward the video. Okay guys, so I'm all done, and like I said before, I'm so happy with how they came out. I'll definitely be doing more videos like these because it's actually really fun and I want to experiment with different designs and colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and turning on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video.